you guys might be wondering why I'm qualified to say anything about Bitcoin. Well, come over here. Look at this. I'm on the beach. I'm on the Bitcoin beach. I'm on my beach. All thanks to Bitcoin, of course. The view speaks for itself, people. Bitcoin, am I right?
All right, Julian, it's time to confess. Tell us the truth about Bitcoin.
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about.
Julian, tell us the truth.
Okay. It wasn't my beach. I was on a beach, but it wasn't my beach. But listen, guys, if you want to be the money, you gotta act like the money. Dogecoin, Bernie Madoff, Elon Musk, Tendies, Stonks. Hello everyone, my name is Julian-Alexandre, and today we are going to be talking about the big OG. Yes, I'm talking about Bitcoin, BITC01H56. Alright, it is the big OG of all cryptocurrencies, and it is exhilarating, it is exciting, and it is what I like to call financially a DPU. Dangerously provocative upside. Just think of something that is really darn cool, but you might get in trouble for it. Yeah, something cool like those Fortnite coins that you purchase on your mother's credit card, or those Roblox servers you purchase on your father's credit card. So the word crypto comes from the Greek word kryptos, which means hidden. In modern day terms, crypto is short for cryptography, which is the art of writing and solving codes. As a prefix, crypto means concealed or secret. So cryptocurrency, by one definition, is a secret or concealed currency, and that's kind of what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is essentially a protocol based on a thing called blockchain, which is essentially a database. But this database is decentralized across a network of computers, so no one user or group has control. The database is also transparent, which means that everyone can see the transaction that occurs, and for someone to hack this database, a hacker must simultaneously control and alter 51% of the records of the blockchain so that their new record becomes the majority agreed upon record. This is virtually impossible. So Alice uses Bitcoin to transact with Bob through number 1, a decentralized, no one has control, number 2, transparent, and number 3, an unhackable system. And the final uniqueness of Bitcoin, it is private. The system is transparent, but no one knows who holds the password of a Bitcoin. So it is a bearer instrument. In other words, whoever holds the password owns the Bitcoin. There's no registry of the name Alice or Bob or who they are, where they live, their personal contact info, etc. Now let's compare Bitcoin to the good old US dollar. So as we can see here, money has an unlimited supply, but a Bitcoin is limited. It only has 21 million coins maximum. Also, money is issued by the government. That's why it's unlimited. But a Bitcoin is not. It's produced by computers. Money is also centralized, meaning central banks, commercial banks, and intermediaries control it. A Bitcoin is decentralized. There's no middleman. And lastly, the value of money is determined by market and regulation. A Bitcoin is determined by supply and demand. Again, it's decentralized, meaning there's no regulations, unlike the US dollar. And it's really this last point that makes Bitcoin unique as both a future currency and an investment asset. But that's not to say that Bitcoin might not have any regulations in the future. So is Bitcoin really a good investment? So we can talk about Bitcoin being a great investment because number 1, it's a store of value like gold. Number 2, it's a hedge against oncoming inflation. Number 3, it's an asset that is not correlated to your stock portfolio, so it reduces overall volatility. But really, it's all just blah blah investment professional talk. But my reason is extremely simple, guys. Like it or not, the world is starting to adopt Bitcoin as a thing. But back to the good old rule of supply and demand, there's going to be more demand for Bitcoin. And unlike the good old US dollar, there is a limited supply. And that, ladies and gents, is a recipe for making money. Well, let's get some other opinions on this volatile cryptocurrency.
Bitcoin? I don't know. I think you're gonna get stuck in the bag on
No,
this.
it's Bitcoin to the moon, guys. Alright, we're stomped to the moon. Alright, we're gonna have plenty of attendees after this.
You know, personally, I'm with Warren and Charlie on this one. I don't think Bitcoin's a great store of value. You know, I don't
Well,
think
I'm
that
not surprised. You kind of look like him too. Now, fair warning, guys, this is still a DPU. It's highly volatile. I'm not trying to give you any financial advice. But on another episode, I'm going to give my brother a chance to argue against Bitcoin. Good luck to him, of course. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We hope you picked up a few good ideas about Bitcoin. And on another episode, we're going to talk about how to buy Bitcoin through Coinbase and GBTC Fund. And in the description below, we have a white paper download by the founder of Bitcoin himself, Satoshi Nakamoto. Of course, we don't really know who this guy is. It's just a pseudonym. But hopefully you guys can go down there and check it out and learn more about Bitcoin's purpose.